we discuss some worksheet on computer. Today's topic is uses of computer. It is for class first. Okay? Now, first question is fill in the blanks. Here some sentence is here and here some hints. This word is put in this sentence. Okay? Where is appropriate? First question is a computer is a wonderful machine. Next, you can store information on a computer. You can draw pictures on a computer. And the last question is you can listen to music. Store on a computer. Next question, write T for true or F for false. Okay, here some sentence is here and you said which sentence is true and which sentence is false. First question is a computer cannot solve sums. Is it true or false? It is false. So I write F. Next, you cannot play games on a computer. Is it true or false? It is false also because we play games on a computer. Next, you can watch movies on a computer. Yes, we watch movie on a computer. So it is true. Next question is tick the right answer. Okay? A computer is used to send and receive message. So here this is right answer. Next, a computer is used to make in shops and malls. A computer is used to make dash in shops and malls. Bills. Make bills. You can use the dash for entertainment and booking tickets. You can use the internet for entertainment and booking tickets. Okay. Now our next question is encircle the names of places where computers are used. Use the given hints to fill in the blanks. Here some word is here and here some hints. These words are here. Okay? So you find it. First, OFFICE, office. So now see here OFFICE. So it is circle it. Okay? Next, airport. Here airport. AIRPORT. Okay? Next, shops. SHOPS. Okay? Next, home. HOME. Next, SCHOOL. SCHOOL. So it is circle it. Next, BANK. Bank. Here bank is here. Bank. BANK. So friends, you practice it at home. Next question is here some sentences here and here some hints. Okay, this word is right here. This is appropriate for this sentence and I write it. Okay, my father has a computer in his office. Next, I use computer in my school computer lab. Next, computers are used in dash for making bills. Computers are used in shops for making bills. Next, computers are used for booking tickets at the where? Ticket airport. Next, my parents go to the dash to deposit money. Bank. Deposit money, bank. And last question, I play games on a computer at home. Our last and final question is answer in one word. Here some sentence is here and I write in one word. Okay? Name a place where computers are used. Name a place where we use computers such as shops, airport, hospital, school. You can write anything. Okay? Next question. What can you do on a computer? You play games on computer. You watch movie on computer. Okay? So I write play. Next, name a cartoon movie that you can see on a computer. Spider-Man, Tom and Jerry, etc. Okay? Next question, where do we use computer for teaching and learning? We use computer in school for teaching and learning. And the last question, where do we use computer for deposit money? We use computer for deposit money in bank. Okay?